Hi, welcome back to our LE DIY channel and how-to series video. I am Christoph. Today we are going to learn how to choose a T8 LED tube. 5 key points should be considered. Tube type. T8 LED tube lights are becoming more and more popular. There are 4 types.
Hybrid LED tubes work with or without ballast. Plug-and-play ballast-compatible tubes. Single-ended ballast non-compatible tubes. Double-ended ballast non-compatible tubes.
So how can you save the most money? You can choose based on total cost. High-quality LED tubes usually offer a warranty of 5 years, so we calculate our cost based on 5 years.
Where total cost equals product price plus installation cost plus maintenance cost. For example, let's say you have a single-ended ballast non-compatible tubes. If you use it via DIY, you will have a total cost of $36. If you hire an electrician, your total cost will be $156. If you are a DIY fan, the single-ended ballast non-compatible tube is the best choice for you. If you use an electrician, the double-ended ballast non-compatible tube is your best choice.
What's the difference between single-ended and double-ended tubes? Single-ended tubes need a rewire job, so your installation cost is higher, while the product price is lower. Warranty. If you're not a DIY fan, you better choose tubes with 5-year warranty. Doing so saves hundreds of dollars in installations and maintenance.
Color. If your project is in a place like an office where work requires attention and focus, daylight white is a better choice. If your project is in a place where you relax, like a living room or bedroom, a warm white is a better choice.
Usually LED tubes are used in places that require attention and focus, so daylight white is the first choice. Safety certification. Do I need to choose LED tube lights with UL or ETL certification? As LED tube lights are electrical products, the answer is yes. UL or ETL certification is proof of quality and safety. However, the price is usually higher for certified products compared to those without UL or ETL certification.
Energy saving certification.
Do I need tubes with DLC certification? Yes, you certainly do, and in many cities you can get a rebate from your utility provider. It also saves on your electricity bill. So follow these 5 steps to choose the best LED tube to save the most money. We hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more home DIY knowledge
And save thousands of dollars.